Expressions related to autumn and nature. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Meaning, children often resemble their parents in behaviour or character. Example, like her mum, Anna loves painting. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. To squirrel something away. Meaning, to hide or save something for later use. Example, he's been squirreling away money for his dream holiday. Come rain or shine. Meaning, no matter what happens, whatever the circumstances. Example, she walks her dog every morning, come rain or shine. As old as the hills. Meaning, very old. Example, that story is as old as the hills, but people still love hearing it. To be a late bloomer. Meaning, to develop or achieve success later than others. Example, he didn't start writing until his 40s, a real late bloomer. To go with the flow. Meaning, to relax and accept things as they happen. Example, on holiday, I like to go with the flow and see where the day takes me. To weather the storm. Meaning, to survive a difficult situation. Example, the company managed to weather the storm during the financial crisis. To bear fruit. Meaning, to produce positive results after effort or time. Example, her hard work at university is finally bearing fruit. She got a dream job. What other expressions do you know relating to autumn or nature? Put them in the comments.